So it's 11:30 right now, and I am starting making this video so that I can, practice of English speaking. Because without speaking, no one can get fluency. This is why, make. I was thinking right now making a blog in English is easier than making a one shot video, because I always try to make one shot video, and in that video I make many mistakes. You know what? Why? Because in a one shot, even you can, also try. If you want to try one shot, you will going to make many mistake in your native language as well. And I am speaking in English, and it is natural to accept that you will definitely going to make mistakes. But if I talk about now, I was just checking my dish. I'm just checking it's stale or not, because I cooked it in the morning and now I am just about to have dinner. This is why I'm checking. It was in my fridge. This is why I'm just checking it is still fresh or not. I'm just cooking rice and I'm waiting for cooked rice to have my dinner. So I was thinking like, okay, before cooking the rice, let's start the video and finish it. So that why I'm making this video too early, because it is too early for me. Because of I mostly I make video when I went to sleep, but now I am just thinking, because since few days I am feeling some kind of pain in my head. I am feeling that was not kind of pain which is severe, but somehow I am feeling always. This is why I am just thinking not to do the work late night, and I just want to sleep on time. After having dinner, I will definitely going to sleep, because I have so many work to do, but I will not going to do it today. I want to get proper sleep today, because of what if I get sick? Who will going to do this work for me? This is why I'm just thinking practically. Let's skip the day. Not a that kind of stick. Let This is not kind of skip. I just want to skip. Sorry, this is a kind of skip. I can this is the work. This is the editing work. I want to edit my video so that I can upload in the morning, because it's pending. I have made a blog yesterday, but still I didn't upload because of in the morning, in the early morning, I went to the TCRE court, because there is a metal state in the TCRE court on the stage of first motion. There was a first motion in mutual divorce, and the matter was related to my relatives. This is why if I talk about the story, wife does not want to stay with friend, stay with husband. This is why she is wanting divorce, and husband does not want to separate from his wife. And this is the kind of dispute always arises when they people meet, and they you know meet with each other, and when they see each other, husband gets emotional every time. you know 15 days ago they came to me, and wife was saying that I don't want to live with him. This is why I am seeking mutual divorce. And husband forcefully said that I am agree. And somehow, because two kids they have two kids, and the custody of kids will be have husband. And wife want to get one child, but he husband does not want to get any kids to wife if he is seeking mutual divorce. Somehow we got the sign. Okay, somehow we got the sign on the petition. We have prepared the petition, we have filed the petition, and the petition was filed successfully, and the date was today. So I went from the Saket Court because my chamber is in Saket Court, Delhi, and I went from my place to Saket Court first to park my vehicle because I don't want to, face the traffic of Delhi. This is why I parked my vehicle at the Saket Court, and from Saket Court, I, took a auto, and by auto I went to the metro station, and by metro from Malvinagar I went to the PCRE court. And when I reached there, I took the file from that chamber when I had left my file because I handed over my file to a senior who is friend of my senior. So I went to his chamber first, but when I reached at his chamber and I see that his chamber is locked. His chamber was locked. So I called to my senior that his this chamber is locked. How can I get my file? And matter is listed in the morning. How can I get it? So somehow he, you know, arranged the key of that chamber. So I got this file and I went to the, courtroom. When I reached at the courtroom, they were, fighting with each other, not that kind of fight, verbally fight. They were fighting verbally with each other, and her husband was trying to, manipulate his wife so that he cannot seek the divorce. And but the wife does not want to, refuse, and does not want to, back forward. And it's running almost 2 to 3 hours, and I was waiting, and I tried to run away from that place 2 to 3 times because I was thinking like, why I'm wasting time, because they are not even mutually understand till now. Then why I am waiting for them? Why should I not be in Saket Court? Because my clients were waiting at the Saket Court since morning, and I was in Tisayari, and I was saying to my clients who were in Saket Court that I am in another court and I will be there soon. And repeatedly I was informing to my clients who were in the Saket court. And then somehow, we appeared in the court, and somehow the advocate from her side, from wife's side, doesn't come to the court. This is why just said to us and informed us, and directed us, if you are not going to make him present, I'm talking about the wife's advocate, and he will not going to present, I will give the date in this matter in July, or now it's running May. So I was thinking like, okay, I have to, do something. So I called to my friend, and I called out. I called my friend to come to the court. So he came to me along with the Vakalatnama. So I filed the Vakalatnama on behalf of wife and filed the matter. Somehow we filed the matter because they were fighting each other verbally again and again. So I said to the wife, just go and sit in the courtroom, because of, if they live, if they sit separately, they will not going to fight with each other. This is why I said to the wife to go and sit in the courtroom. So she went in the courtroom and she sat there, and matter called out because I mentioned the same. in the court. And somehow, husband in the courtroom started crying. Judge was so emotional at that point of time after seeing the husband that he is crying, and definitely husband was trying to manipulate the judge, and judges don't want to break the relationships. This is why she directed us that I am going to put this matter on 6th of June, and in between you should try to communicate with each other so that it will be going good. And I try to say and try to submit many times in the court that they are trying many times, they have tried many times to live together, but there is no result. But judge was saying that okay, I am giving a chance from myself and from my side. And I was like, okay, Manoj, it's my pleasure, and I will definitely going to present in the court on the 6th of June. So after that, I came to my Saket court, not my Saket court, but came to the Saket court. And before came to the Saket court, I called my friend because I was making a video in front of the gate of the Sayari. I was making a blog, and I see in my background that there were three of my friends were there and was watching me because they are working in Saket Court with me, and they all were there when I was making the video in my background, and they suddenly came to me that, oh, are you making video? And I was like, yes. Why are you doing, why are you here, why are you all here? And they were saying that it's a matter after 12:30. This is why we all came here. I was like, okay. And then they went to the courtroom, and I called my friend who is in TCRE court, and somehow he came to me, and I you know with him went to his chamber. And after drinking water in his chamber and wasting some time and talking to each other, I left from the Tisari court to Sagat court. I didn't take anything. I didn't have anything since morning because I didn't have breakfast in the morning today because I left so early in the morning. Not so early, but early in the morning. This is why I didn't have anything in the morning in my breakfast. And at around 3:30 or 4 p.m., I have my lunch, my first meal, I can say. This is the life of an advocate because when I reached at the Saket court, the clients were waiting for me, and after finishing my first meal, I started drafting for my clients and completed within 1 hour, and finish their work. And I got the sign on the petition because I have to file second motion in their matter. This is why they came to the circuit court because I need the sign on the petition. And definitely I didn't file today. I will going to file tomorrow the same second motion in the Saket court. And it is all about till now. I am just going to check my rice has been cooked or not because I am making video. And what if it won't up? It will be mashed up. So I am just going to check my rice whether it is cooked or not. And after that, after having my dinner, I will going to get proper sleep. I'm not going to use my mobile anymore today. Bye. Catch you tomorrow.